Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Juliette and I do new videos on this channel every week. I do lots of beauty, fashion, lifestyle hauls, that kind of thing. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video from me, so I really hope you enjoy it, but let me know your thoughts below. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're one of my lovely subscribers, thank you so much for coming back. Today I am doing a little bit, I don't even know what I'm going to call this video. I want to say it's a little bit of a mini reset because I have tried again recently. It's been a minute, and to be honest, I've been feeling off. I've been feeling unmotivated, uncertain, just a bit disconnected from myself, from routines, even from content creation, and that has been really difficult for me because YouTube is something that I love so much. If you know, you know that I do. Life has been changing and I feel like I've just needed space to breathe, space to figure out what is next. And today I thought we'd do a little bit of a clean around the house, catching up with you guys, a little bit of self-care, a little bit of a life reset. It is not a Pinterest perfect life that I lead. Do not be fooled. It is not perfect. You are not going to get some beautiful aesthetic video from me like Gemma Louise Miles, bless her soul, with her fancy editing skills. Just some light cleaning, some fresh food, because today's video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh, which I will speak about later in the video. I have worked with them before and they are going to give me a few codes because BMD50 will give you 50% off your HelloFresh box, your first box, and 20% off your next 4 boxes. And can we just say, when I opened my box, I realised there was free desserts for life back in. It's a winner, chicken dinner. So make sure, if you are going to sign up, listen to that in a minute. But yeah, let's just see where the video takes us. So sometimes in life, I just feel like the simplest things will help clear your head. I'm not going to be doing a deep clean today, God no. I'm just making some space, one corner at a time, wiping down the sides, making sure that the kitchen is nice and neat. And I don't need perfection, I just need a little bit of peace. And I do feel like a cluttered house brings a cluttered mind. And the kitchen is the heart of our home. We are in here a hell of a lot. And I just feel like this, I must clean it about 4 times a day. But I don't think you can beat wiping down the sides, putting all the little bits and bobs away, give it a spritz down, and that will just make everything so much better. I do want to add here while I'm doing the washing up, by the way, because I get so many people ask me, where's my dishwasher? I wash everything up by hand. I've been brought up in a home with my mum and dad. Everything was done by hand. And we actually took the dishwasher out of the kitchen when we remodelled it, and everyone was like, oh my gosh, you're crazy. But I genuinely find it so much easier. And I know this is a really silly thing to be addressing, but I get that question so much. You would be very surprised. So yeah, just thought I would answer that question. I have got a lot to unpack in this video, and I say a lot to unpack, some little bits to discuss with you. And if you did notice, beginning of the video, if you noticed, I did have a bandage on my back. And if you caught up with my last vlog, you may have heard that I had to go to get a medical photograph on a mole on my back. And unfortunately, that was urgently, they called me back urgently, basically. So I went for my photograph on the Monday, and by Thursday I was actually already in to have the mole itself and 2 millimeters of margin surrounding the mole removed. And although I am grateful that our NHS is bang on top of it and they got me in, and Lucy, the doctor who I saw, the nurse, she was absolutely incredible and made my time and the surgery so nice and just easy considering. And so shout out to her, she was amazing if she's watching, and all the staff in there, can I add. And even though the NHS has been amazing and we've got the ball rolling, if anything sinister were to happen, it does obviously also have that stress in the back of my mind now while it's gone off for biopsy, just hoping that everything's okay. There is a 5-week wait, so I think that is another thing that has been weighing heavy on my mind, something that I've really been struggling with. And again, why I have struggled with creating any content, because I just haven't felt in the best headspace. And I think this has been a bit of a common theme recently, and so I do appreciate each and every single one of you for supporting me. Anyway, while we were in the kitchen, I wanted to say that today I am using HelloFresh. This video is kindly sponsored by HelloFresh. It honestly makes eating well so much easier for me, and especially when my head is all over the place. If you've never tried HelloFresh before, HelloFresh deliver fresh, pre-portioned ingredients straight to your door. No stress, no waste, no last minute what the hell do I cook panic, because that is me on the daily. I'm always panicking about what to get everyone for dinner. This week in my box I actually included these beef quesadillas. I actually think the boys are going to love these, so I have tried to involve them more so this time because they're off on school holidays, and normally I don't bother so much because they normally have cooked meals at school, but now they're off on the school holidays. I want to make sure they're making the most of their evening meal. So I love that I can pause or skip a week if things get too busy with my HelloFresh, and it does save me money compared to those emergency shop runs, because if anybody is like me, when I go into Aldi, honestly, I'm suckered in by the middle aisle before we've even started, but I also tend to start picking up things that I'm not sure if I need. I never stick to the list. You know, people say always stick to the list. I never do. I'm useless, and so it does save me money by having everything pre-portioned and sent out to me. So yeah, if you do want to try HelloFresh, please use my code, which is BMD50. I'll leave it here on the screen, and I will leave it all linked below in the description box, and that gets you 50% off your first box and then 20% off your next 4 boxes. And it's back, guys, free desserts for life. That is why there is a cheeky key lime pie in my box. I was well chuffed about that. So yeah, make sure if you do want to try HelloFresh, you use my code. And thank you so much for HelloFresh for working with me. I think that I have said this countless times. I really appreciate people supporting me when I work with brands, because I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it just allows me to continue doing the things that I absolutely love, which is content creation. There are so many times, especially over the last few months, where I've been really inconsistent. I've really beat myself up about it, and I know, shall I just say, it is me that beats myself up more than you guys. Honestly, you are so supportive and amazing. You always say to me, it doesn't matter what you upload or when you upload, as long as you do, and that genuinely means the world to me. But at the same time, I feel like it's a two-way thing. We're in a relationship, guys. If you are expecting videos, I've got to put them out there. If I want you to watch them, I've got to expect to put decent content out there for you. And so, you know, like I say, it works both ways. So I really need to start being more consistent, start showing up for myself, and be able to do what I love. I mean, I have really considered over the last few months, like I say, going back into a 9-to-5 job, but it really does not work in the fact that Matt's hours are a lot of the time being a PT or being a personal trainer. If you aren't from the UK, his hours are all over the place, and so it makes it really difficult for me to find a job that would work around the children. And it is probably more, you know, something that I could do now that they're getting older, but at the same time, I just want to do what I love. So it is a really tricky one. Part of me, like I say, I've thought about going back to a normal 9-to-5, a normal job, as I would say. But yeah, I'm hoping I can continue doing this, and fingers crossed I can. I'm going to clean up my wardrobe room, like in my makeup desk next, because honestly, this is another space that I spend a lot of time, and it's also the first place I sit in the beginning of the day, the start of the day on a morning. I come in here, I bring my coffee. I used to sit at this desk and journal, but can't even find a bloody place for my book at the moment because it's such a mess in there. So that is something that I really need to work on today. I really need to clear that space and clean it. Now, I have said this a million times, I need to declutter. I don't only need to declutter this desk, but my vintage bags and parcels and everything upstairs is an absolute nightmare. But don't even get me started on that. That is for another day. It's shut behind my Monica cupboard door, and it shall stay there for another couple of weeks. But yeah, this desk really needs to be cleaned, because tonight is a night for just some relaxation. And I'm starting to learn that self-care isn't about big spa days. It isn't about new skincare routines. It's just sometimes giving yourself permission to slow down and reconnect with yourself and not feel guilty about doing that, because that's something that I do a lot. And so when I've cleaned this area, I am going to take some time for some self-care. I've put a hair mask in my hair, so don't judge me. It will be washed over the sink tomorrow, because I cannot shower still because of the bandage on my back. I can't have a shower properly for a week until my stitches are removed. Until my stitches are removed in 2 weeks, actually. So yeah, just call me a washer over the sink, and washing my hair over the sink at the moment. But yeah, I've put a hair mask in, just doing some really basic skincare. So just some nice oils, and I've started using my retinol from Medicate. So I'm going to do that, give myself a nice little spritz of, I love this stuff. I think it's called the Spa hydrating spritz. I'll see if I can link it below. And then I am just going to braid my hair and have a nice relaxation, a nice relaxed evening. So I haven't fixed everything today, but I have done enough to make me feel a bit more grounded, and that's the goal. And I just wanted to, I've actually just put my diffuser on as well. So if you saw the other day, I went to Aldi, suckered in by the middle aisle, like I said, on these beautiful oils. So I am going to pop some of those in my diffuser tonight and just fill the room with some relaxing scents. And I'm going to sit down, I'm going to do a list for the next day. And then also tonight, I might just lie in bed and watch some Friends or something, because honestly, I just need that downtime. And if you've been feeling a little bit lost like me, or feel like you're in this really weird life transition, I just want you to know that I see you. I see you. You are not alone. These quiet resets matter, and they matter because you really do need to take those times for yourself, especially without the guilt. There are so many times that I've sat down and just thought, oh, I'm just going to do this and just going to do that, and then all that I think about is all the things that I should be doing, and it's no good doing that. You have to realise that sometimes you just need to stop. You need to take a breath and do something for yourself. Let me know, guys, what you do to do a little bit of like when you need a little bit of a life reset. And if you want more videos like this, because I've actually quite enjoyed sitting down and like chatting, but then because I filmed all the little bits, I feel like it doesn't make it so boring, because sometimes sit down videos, I just feel like, oh god, it's people really going to want to sit and listen to me ramble on. But this one makes it a little bit more entertaining. So yeah, let me know what you guys do and whether you like this kind of video moving forward, because I've really enjoyed this. Bit different from me. But thanks again to you all for watching. Thank you so much for HelloFresh for supporting this video and making everything easier today and helping me reach my goals and be a content creator. And thank you to you guys for being here, as always. It means more now than you probably even realise, because I've been in a really dark place over the last few months, and it's really nice that I have so much support from you all on here. And I know I've been a bit quiet, and I will get back to you all, I do promise. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for that, because it really does mean a lot from the bottom of my heart, like it really does. So until next time, guys, take care. Bye.